Alright, video number 2 I am going to do. This is once again, where does it say it? Well, I think the little sticker fell out. But anyways, this is a Square D circuit breaker. I know a Square D had a marking on it. They have a little green little cardboard deal there. This was what? Townley Metal and Hardware Company in Kansas City, Missouri. This was probably original to my house from the, 1962. So what we're opening up here is an old 1962 Square D circuit breaker. The only reason I know it's got to be a Square D is because it came from a Square D panel and it had markings saying Square D, and I think we lost that little portion. Anywho, just let you get a nice little look on the outside. I've already pre-drilled it. Let me find some lines. We'll open this up and see what it looks like compared to the newer one. Why, look at here. Okay. We have the guts of a 1960s Square D circuit breaker. Okay. Ain't this something? We still have that little contact portion like there we talked about before. But man, that thing's got some traveling it looks like it has to do. So, let's see. Still looks like we have a little bimetal thing right there. I'm going to show a little video on little bimetal, give an explanation on that. This time you notice we don't have the trip window. That was something they added later. So when these breakers tripped, you would have to physically kind of imagine my computer screen here as the panel. You'd have to go down there lightly pushing on the breakers to see what breaker was tripped. And that got to be fun in commercial buildings if you get 50 breakers in a panel or something like that. But that's the insides of a 1960s Square D circuit breaker. We get a little light here. There we go. Try to do a little up close. Okay. Let's see what we get here if we try to, energize or turn it on. Let me see what I can do here. We'll just set the camera down. We'll do one of these, kind of put a hand over it. Uh-oh, it is done for. It is done for. It will not turn on now. Nope, won't turn on. Oh. We got it to be on. So now you see how the little contacts here, kind of under my finger there, are now closed. We still have kind of the same basic design. In fact, that's kind of the parts from the other one I was pulling an experiment. I'm going to do a video showing how bimetal stuff works. It looks like it has a bimetal strip there. And that's the fun portions of it. Kind of interesting.